Hey everyone, Robin Sweet from Autogeek at the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. Today we're talking about Pinnacle Black Label Diamond Surface Coating. Now a lot of people do ask, what's the difference between a paint coating and a surface coating? Well, the answer is pretty simple. The surface coating can go on anything. It can go on painted surfaces, meaning your clear coats. It can go on your wheels. You can put it on your glass, any trim that you might have, plastics, chrome. Again, it's hard surface coating. This product here adds extreme gloss, extreme hydrophobics. So the properties of that mean that the water will bead up and shed right off. This surface coating is going to help to protect your vehicle against contamination. So air contamination, air pollutants, road salt, grime, UVs. It has nano-glass ceramic properties. And the way that the sprayer works on this bottle is that it comes out in a very fine mist. It's actually atomized. My preferred method of application is to actually spray it direct onto a microfiber applicator pad, and then you can control the areas to which you're applying it. And then come back through with a clean microfiber towel and just do a quick wipe down. One of the benefits of this is the easy wipe off, and as soon as you spray on, apply, and wipe off, it gives a super slick and slippery feeling to the surface. And this 8-ounce bottle is enough to give multiple applications, probably somewhere between 10 and 15 different applications depending on what surfaces you coat with it. If you want more information on this product and others, visit autogeek.com.